Right, so we're starting off with axonometric. First off, we're drawing a prism, starting with a prism, and then building up the other volumes. When you're drawing axonometrics, you need to draw the whole volume, not just the faces that you see, or the edges that you see. I'm going to draw a cube now in the front of our composition. We just have 3 simple volumes for our composition. We're going to draw the cast shadows for them, and then we're going to hatch everything. It's a very simple introduction to shadows and to axonometrics. Right. Adding the cast shadows right now, 60 degrees on the horizontal. That's the projection. I'm thickening the lines for the cast shadows just to make sure they're accurate. You can read them. Right, and now we're going to go for the hatching. I'm just going to hatch the shadowed faces. Obviously, the shadowed faces are the faces that cast the cast shadows. And we're going to hatch the cast shadows as well. Darker gray as they move towards the lower parts of the drawing. We're going to make the edges of the shadowed faces pop out. That's it. Then thickening the line drawing and adding a small reflection, just for a graphics trick.